I really like this type of content, especially when I discovered that it's highly profitable. Honestly, it deserves support because it provides very useful content. This page has 339K followers, with views exceeding 10K in each video, and some videos have surpassed 1 million views. All the videos are AI generated, offering health tips in French and attracting good interaction, as you can see. Another page with almost the same name provides the same content in English, with 284K followers. It offers medical information, health tips, benefits of certain foods and recipes, and its views always exceed 10K. I believe this person really loves ginger and lemon because he talks about them in many videos, perhaps because they are crucial to human health, and how easy and enjoyable it is to create this type of content, especially when you remember that you're providing content that helps people in their daily lives. If we search on TikTok for health tips, we will find videos with millions of views. Consider this niche as a great opportunity that opens many doors for you to generate significant income online, not only through the TikTok Creativity Program or YouTube Partner Program, but much more. Don't hesitate to start because the chances of success in this niche are high. Stay with me until the end, because I will also show you how to use this niche to your advantage. Having different pages on social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram where you offer health content. Develop a specific strategy to earn passive income alongside the TikTok Creativity Program in a very simple way. A strategy I rely on a lot to make money online. I will also share a program that will change the rules of the game, and I haven't seen anyone talk about it. Follow me to the end to understand it better. So, if you're ready to learn the strategy and how to create health content and make money from it in various ways, like and follow. Don't forget to activate the notification so you won't miss any new videos that I publish every week. I appreciate your fantastic comments. Let's get started. The first step is to search for real and reliable health information. It is essential when creating any content to ensure the accuracy of the information we provide and not just copy and paste. We won't rely on ChatGPT for this. Instead, we must obtain information from reliable sources such as the Mayo Clinic website, which publishes trustworthy health information. We will search in this way, for example, Mayo Clinic Best Foods for Brain Health, and the first search result will show us 8 brain health tips for a healthier you, Mayo Clinic. Here, we will find 8 tips from one of the most reputable medical institutions globally, often ranked as the best hospital. In this article, they provide tips like exercising, socializing with friends, eating salads, being cautious with medications, avoiding alcohol, and ensuring sufficient sleep. Can't you create more than one video with these 8 tips? Definitely, you can. If you want to search on other sites for these tips and information, you just need to make sure they are reliable and then create a video about them. I found an article talking about the benefits of salmon. I will copy the information from this article, and later I will ask ChatGPT to summarize and simplify it. After that, I will put it into a short paragraph. If I find the paragraph ready, I will save it in a specific file in Google Docs. Okay, the script is ready. Now, we need a voiceover. First, copy the script, then go to 11 Labs. Choose a voice from the available options. Select a good voice, paste the script there, and finally, click Generate. Wait a bit and download the voiceover. Next, go straight to v.io. Sign up, click Create Project, upload the voiceover, adjust its speed a bit, and most importantly, click Remove Silences to delete all silent parts with just one click. After that, choose a specific name, download the audio by clicking Export, and select MP3s from here. Now, we need some videos about salmon. We can easily search for them on the Pexels website. Choose the videos, type salmon, and many free videos will appear. Download them. If you can't find what you're looking for on this site or find fewer videos, you can search on another site like Mixkit. This site is also good. I searched for salmon and found videos not available on Pexels, and they can be downloaded for free. Now go to CapCut to create the video. CapCut is the best and easiest editing program. Enter it, upload the voiceover with all the free videos, add them to the timeline, choose the size for the short videos, and move all the videos slowly using keyframes. Place the first keyframe at the beginning of the video, then advance to the end of the video and move the video, for example, to the right to add another keyframe. Repeat this process for all the videos here if you want the video to be more beautiful and dynamic. After finishing, add a good filter such as the clear filter to all the videos. Now, the last and most important step is to click Text, then choose Autocaption. Select the English language, click Create, and wait for about a minute. The captions will be added for free. We will edit them if there are any errors and cut long sentences to make them shorter. CapCut offers many templates to choose from. I always focus on selecting dynamic text. Then, download the video at 60 FPS.
Wonder why salmon is a superfood? It's rich in omega-3s for a healthy heart, great protein, and essential B vitamins. Salmon's potassium helps blood pressure, while selenium supports bones. Astaxanthin, an antioxidant, benefits the heart, brain, and skin. Eating salmon regularly may prevent heart disease, aid weight management, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. It's also brain-friendly, potentially reducing dementia risk. Although more research is needed, adding salmon to your diet is a tasty way to boost overall health.
Now, focus with me carefully. After downloading the video, you can simply share it on your TikTok beta account. If you are not from countries where the beta is available, I've brought you the website usetiktokAccount.com that sells these accounts. I discussed it in the previous video, and I believe it is credible. You can buy an account for $29. Additionally, you can buy more accounts, for example 5 or 10 accounts, and the more you buy, the bigger the discount. In addition to these existing discounts, I have a small gift for you. Use the promo code MINATO20 to get a 20% discount. After purchasing the account, you will receive an email on Gmail containing the username and password. I will leave the website link with the discount code in the first comment and also in the description box. But I will give you a strategy that will change the rules of the game, and I haven't found anyone talking about it because it is extremely powerful. Follow me to the end. Of course, you have to be smart and not rely solely on one method of earning. For example, on this specialized page about the health niche, there is a link in the bio. We cannot put a link in the bio until we reach 1,000 followers. If we click on it, it will take us to another page with a bunch of links. These links are for earning gift cards, but we will create affiliate links here. Through these links, we can promote an ebook with healthy recipes, tips, exercises, and products. Anyone who watches our TikTok videos and visits the profile, if they click on the link in the bio, they will find the link to the book or product you are promoting and can buy it. This is called affiliate marketing, which requires less effort compared to other methods, especially in content related to health and weight loss. You can search for any product you like and promote it, and the product owner will offer you a commission. But where do we find these products? There are many platforms like ClickBank, More Niche, or Warrior Plus. If you register on one of these platforms and search for health, you will find many programs and products you can market. Joining these programs may take some time, so you can go to Google and search for the best health affiliate products, and you will find many programs you can join instantly. Just search well. To create a page like this, go to Linktree, register quickly with an email, and write the username and name. Then choose the category, which is health and wellness. After that, choose the profile picture. You can download any icon from Flaticon, which offers many icons and symbols for free. Search for health, and you will find many free icons. Download one, then go back to Linktree, upload the icon, and choose a specific theme below. That's how registration is done. So, I found this ebook on Warrior Plus, 36 Foods to Lose Weight and Live Healthy. The profit percentage from this book is from $4 to $12. The profits are simple because the ebook itself costs less than $15. So, we can request the affiliate link by clicking on Request Approval and wait until we are accepted. Some programs accept you directly. After being accepted, take the link and put it in Linktree by clicking on Add Link and then paste the link here. After that, choose a simple and short title. We will take the book's title from Warrior Plus and paste it here. And so on, the work is done. Here is how our page looks, simple and elegant, and here is the ebook link. If anyone buys it, you will earn. Now you just need to focus on creating high-quality videos. Sometimes you can talk about this ebook. After acquiring knowledge of this method, you need to be creative and add your personal touch. You can open a secondary account on Instagram and YouTube and share health content on all these accounts while promoting this ebook on each platform. However, the question is, should you publish the same video on all platforms, or what should you do? Many of us have probably tried posting our videos or even others' videos on different platforms, but have not received much engagement. Views often freeze at a certain number. Do you know why? Because TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram algorithms consider the content to be repetitive and won't push it for views. Therefore, when creating any video and posting it on your main account, there is no need to directly share it on other accounts. This is a mistake because it will be perceived as duplicate content affecting all your accounts. So, I've brought two solutions. The first solution is free, but takes some time. You can edit the video before posting it on your secondary accounts to avoid detection as repetitive content, or create a unique video for each platform. The second solution is easier, and here comes the role of the secret program that I hesitated to explain, which will completely change the game. By using the TIKFUSION program, you can imagine creating just one video and sending it to this program. TIKFUSION will generate 3, 4, or even more similar videos for the same original video. You can request as many as 1,000 videos, and then you can publish these copies on all your accounts without any issues. You will receive support and interaction because the platforms will not detect that the video has been published before or reused. Why? because TIKFUSION changes certain elements in the video, such as pixels, which are not visible, making it undetectable by algorithms. In simple terms, it reads as original and unique content to TikTok, Instagram, and any other platform, behaving like any other video without the limitations we are used to regarding views and engagement. Also, when you post a video on TikTok that doesn't get views, there's no need to delete it as it will affect your account. Just enter TIKFUSION, upload the video, and it will provide you with many similar copies of the same video. So even if you post them all on TikTok, they won't be considered the same or duplicate content. Yes, dear viewer, I have witnessed the evolution of artificial intelligence, and based on the reviews, you will find positive comments. This comment from Lino says, software is working perfectly, the preset is already there, so it's super user-friendly. You literally just have to choose the video and then press one button, that's it. And this comment from Ahmed also states, this software is very impressive. All the videos I posted using this software got over 200k views. I've had a fantastic idea that occurred to me, and I plan to implement it soon using TIKFUSION. Firstly, I will obtain about 5 TikTok beta accounts. Then I will create one video and put effort into it, similar to this video talking about salmon. I'll go to TIKFUSION, upload the video there, press browse, choose the video, and request the number of videos I want. I'll request around 8 videos, and after a few minutes, all the videos will be ready to be published on all my accounts, exploding views. To use this program like me, I'll leave the link in the description box. Click on it and it will take you to this interface where you'll find people's opinions and everything. The program's price is 227 euros. After purchasing, you can easily download it, and a message will be sent to your Gmail with 2 PDF files. The first explains how to use the program if you don't understand anything, and the second is a free guide on targeting the US FYP. They will also give you a code for TIKFUSION registration. Yes, this is today's program. With just one video, you can explode views and profits. Remember to work smartly. The website link is in the first comment and the description box. Thank you all. This was Mr. Minato, and I wish you all the success.